4 pillars. Keep from murdering, keep from sexual perversion or adultery, keep from theft, keep from false witness. And all these other things that are called rules, they are just that, rules. So as part of my How to Survive and Thrive in a First World Police State B-22 legal audit, be mindful that any rule that seeks to supersede and otherwise impair or impede a person's civil rights is just that. It's an illegal rule, unconstitutional rule. And so with my audit, I want to put that there on the public record that I still have not had a valid hearing with regards to my children. I'm providing these things to the Alabama State Bar because rather than assist me while I was seeking assistance through the Lawyer's Assistance Program and being honest and forthright, I had the lawyer assigned to my file turn like a fan, like a rabid dog on me, and created 2 unlawful suspensions with an effect consequentially that has been negative to my children, and there are no complainants, and has been negative to the people of the state of Alabama state of Alabama to include my clients. So as far as my legal audit goes, I'm still claiming y'all have rules about drinking, and I was asked by him, Mr. McIntyre, how's my drinking? When in fact I think I have the right to consume wine en masse. So I'd like to be left alone about my wine consumption, Mr. FOP. And I do still think that he has not become aware of his own Nazi tendencies. These police officers take people's property for a year, 2 years, 3 years, touch them, pat them down, pedophilia, they touch all over them. And they get so used to that as a kleptomaniac, they don't know how to work a file. They do things like print mountains of paperwork in my hearing, only to object to me being reinstated even though I was compliant, because they're liars and thieves. So my brother was told a 91-day suspension would get me reinstated quicker. And that was 3+ years ago, and I didn't even agree to the 91 days. And if y'all have an objection as to my competency or integrity, lay a foundation for it, because there's zero foundation of competency, period, and certainly zero as to integrity, other than y'all are scandalizing me for calling out lawyers who are keeping my fees. And I have the right to challenge a judge in Lee County, and I did that lawfully. If I want to text my kid's guardian to check on their status, may the devil burn in hell for eternity and all the people who follow him to try to tell me I cannot do that, period, when I've never even had a hearing and one of my kids was reporting distress. And for my own bar to get involved and try to shame me and scandalize me and create false narratives as if I was stalking my ex-wife, to pick that up with the damn fakes down out of Lee County. Truth is, I'm entitled to see my children. You degraded my rights as a dad, and you degraded my rights as an attorney. So I rebuke the current administration, and I'm for the 18,000 strong constitutional lawyers in the Alabama State Bar. So how to survive in a first world police state de facto, be sure you are self-aware. Because if you're not a constitutionalist, eventually you'll be exposed. Peace be with you, and I pray for Dirty Jeremy's conversion. Bye for now.